Kerala Style Shallots Sambar recipe. Very famous South Indian recipe, usually served along with rice for best taste. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 3/4 cup of Toor Dal. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 cups of water, mix it well. Close the lid and cook for first whistle on high flame and then 3 whistles on medium flame. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we can open the lid. The dal has cooked well. Keep it aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 2 cups of shallots. We don't want to chop the shallots. Also add 2 green chili slits, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, half teaspoon salt. Continuously stir and saute it for 4 minutes on medium flame. Now add 1 chopped tomato, mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame until tomato becomes soft. After keeping to low flame, add the masalas. Add 1.5 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Cook for a minute on low flame. Now add 3/4 cup of tamarind dissolved hot water. We have dissolved half lemon sized tamarind in 3/4 cup of water and filtered. Also add 1 teaspoon asafoetida powder, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add previously cooked dal to it.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon
until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, keep it medium flame and cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we can switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. When it starts spluttering, keep it low flame and add some curry leaves, 2 red chilies cut into halves. Stir it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, switch off the flame. Garnish it on top of the recipe. Mix it well nicely. Our Kerala Style Shallots Sambar recipe is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.